Have you been struggling to build or improve your credit? It can be a frustrating and daunting task, especially if you have a limited credit history or have made mistakes in the past. But there is hope. One option to consider is a credit builder loan. So, what is a credit builder loan? Essentially, it's a loan where the money is held in a savings account by the lender until the loan is paid off. As you make regular payments, the money is released to you and is reported to the credit bureaus, helping to build or improve your credit score. Here are some steps to getting a credit builder loan. Research credit builder loans and compare options from different lenders. Look for loans with low interest rates and fees, and make sure the lender reports to the credit bureaus. Check out online lenders and credit unions in addition to traditional banks. Determine how much you need to borrow and for how long. Credit builder loans typically range from $300 to $1,000, and the repayment period can be anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. Don't borrow more than you can afford to repay. Gather the required documentation. You may need to provide proof of income, identification, and/or a bank account. Have all of your documents ready before you apply to make the process go smoothly. Fill out the loan application. This can usually be done online or in person. Read the terms and conditions carefully before signing any agreements. Wait for approval. The lender will review your application and credit history to decide if you're eligible for the loan. If you're denied, try to find out why and see if there's anything you can do to improve your chances of getting approved. Make the required down payment. Credit builder loans often require a small down payment, which is held in a secured account until the loan is paid off. Tip: keep track of your down payment and make sure it's returned to you when the loan is paid off. Make the monthly payments on time. Credit builder loans require regular, on-time payments to build your credit. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you don't miss any payments. Monitor your credit score. As you make on-time payments, your credit score should start to improve. Keep an eye on your credit reports and scores to see the progress. Check your credit reports and scores regularly to make sure there are no errors or discrepancies. Pay off the loan. As you near the end of the repayment period, make sure you have enough money saved to pay off the remaining balance. Don't wait until the last minute to pay off the loan. Aim to pay it off early if possible. Celebrate your success. Once you've paid off the credit builder loan, you'll have improved your credit score and laid a solid foundation for your financial future. Keep using credit wisely and keeping an eye on your credit reports and scores to keep your credit in good shape. In addition to helping build or improve your credit, an often overlooked benefit of a credit builder loan is that it can also help you save money. By setting aside funds for a specific goal, such as an emergency savings fund or a down payment on a home, a credit builder loan can not only help you build or improve your credit, but it can also give you a little extra cushion in case of unexpected expenses. Plus, since the funds are held in a separate account until you've completed your payments, you'll be less tempted to spend them on non-essential items. It's a win-win situation that can help you achieve your financial goals and improve your credit at the same time. If you're looking to boost your credit, a credit builder loan could be a great option to consider. Do your research, compare rates and terms, and make regular payments to see the positive impact on your credit score. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to improve your financial stability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.